Welcome to Sharad V. More English School online lecture. Good morning, student. Yesterday, the question number 1 is completed from practice at 4.2. Now, we have to start from the question number 2. Now, question number 2 is the find the following ratios. क्या है question? Question number 2 is find the following ratio. ये question है. Okay. So now let's see the solutions of the question number 2. Question is find the following ratios. Okay. Question number 2, find the following ratio. Following ratio. Find the following ratios. Now see the first one. Ratio of radius to the circumference of the circle. First one is ratio of the radius to the circumference of the circle. Okay. Now see its solution. Radius of the circle and the circumference. Two things are there. दो चीजें क्या क्या है? Radius and circumference. Now let's see. Let the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle is r. रेडियस को क्या कंसिडर किया? r कंसिडर कर लिया हम लोगों ने. ये रेडियस क्या है? r है. ओके. तो therefore circumference of circle. Okay, now circumference of circle is 2 pi r. So this will be 2 pi r. Okay, and what we have to find out the radius to the circumference of the circle. So here radius is r and circumference is 2 pi r. So ratio of radius to circumference of circle is equals to, now radius r is 2, circumference is 2 pi r. So this is equals to r upon 2 pi r. Now this r get cancelled. So you will get r1 ja r1 ja r, 1 upon 2 pi. Okay, now write down the answer. 1 is to 2 pi. So this is the ratio. ये रेशियो है उसका. Okay, now see the next question. अब next one देखो. Next one is ratio of circumference of circle with radius to its area. The ratio of circumference. The ratio of circumference of circle with radius r to its area. Okay, क्या करना है यहाँ पे? Ratio of circumference of circle with radius r to its area. तो किसका किसका रेशियो फाइंड आउट करना है यहाँ पे? सर्कमफेरेंस ऑफ सर्कल विथ रेडियस आर, ऐसा सर्कमफेरेंस जिसका रेडियस आर है, टू इट्स एरिया. नाउ ये सॉल्यूशन, here radius is already given r. Now circumference of circle will be 2 pi r. So now first write down the circumference of circle. Circumference of circle is equals to 2 pi r. Here radius is given as r. Area of the circle, area of the circle, area of the circle is equals to pi r square. pi r square, एरिया कितना है सर्कल का? पाई आर स्क्वायर. और ये सर्कमफेरेंस सर्कल का कितना है? 2 पाई आर है. और नाउ टेक द रेशियो. अब रेशियो लो. Now take the ratios. Ratio of circumference to area is equals to, now circumference is 2 pi r and area is equals to pi r square. So here 1 r will get cancelled and pi will get cancelled, so you will get 2 upon r. तो here it is 2 is to r. तो क्या आंसर मिलेगा हम लोगों को? 2 is to r. Okay, 2 is to r. Understood कि how to yes find out the ratio? Now see the third question. Question number 3. Ratio of the diagonal of a square to its side. If the length of side is 7 centimeter, the ratio of the diagonal of a square to its side, if length of the side is 7 centimeter. Length of the side is 7 centimeter. Now yes, write down its solution. Now yes, we know the relation. The diagonal of a square is under root 2 times of the sides of the square. जो स्क्वायर का डायगोनल होता है वो क्या होता है? ये साइड से अंडर रूट 2 टाइम्स ग्रेटर होता है, ज़्यादा होता है. ओके, नाउ ये हियर व्हाट इज द गिवन साइड? डायगोनल इज अंडर रूट 2 into side and side is 7 centimeter and length of side is equals to 7 centimeter. It is given here. Okay, and this will be equals to under root 2 into 7. ये क्या हो गया? डायगोनल ऑफ स्क्वायर under root 2 into 7 centimeter, and yes, length of the side is equals to 7 centimeter. So here we have to find out the ratio of diagonal of square to its length. Therefore ratio of diagonal to length of side of square is equals to diagonal of length under root 2 into 7 and length of side is 7. So now 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7, it get cancelled. So now yes, under root 2 upon 1. Now write down the answer. What is the ratio? Under root 2 is to 1. It's clear now. Now question number 4. The length of the side of rectangle are 5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. the length of sides of a rectangle, the length of sides of a rectangle are 5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. The length of sides of rectangle are 5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. Find the ratio of its perimeter. Find the ratio of its perimeter to area. Full stop. Solution. Length of side of rectangle is 5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. जो लेंथ है रेक्टेंगल्स के क्या क्या दिया है 5 centimeter 3.5 centimeter. Find the ratio of its perimeter to area. So here first we have to find out the perimeter of the rectangle and then we have to find out the area, then we have to take the ratio. So now is perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2L plus B. Now here length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 3.5 centimeter. So this is equals to 5 plus 3.5 is equals to 8.5. So 2 5 are 10, carry 1. 2 6 are 2 8 are 16 or 170. So this is the 17 centimeter. Now find out the area of the rectangle. अब क्या देखना है हम लोगों को area of the rectangle is equals to length into breadth. Length into breadth. Now length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 3.5 centimeter. 5 5 is 25, carry 2, 5 3 is 15 and 2 17. Now after the decimal there is one digit. So here from right side after the one digit decimal will be put. Now yes square centimeter. यहाँ क्या आएगा centimeter. Now yes it is area. So here what will come square centimeter will come. So this can be written in centimeter square. Okay, understood now. Now we have to take the ratio. दोनों के क्या लेने हैं ratios लेने हैं. तो ratio में क्या हो जाएगा देखो ratio of perimeter to ratio of perimeter to area is equals to now perimeter is 17 and this is 17.5. Okay, now yes whenever there is a decimal point so convert into the yes without decimal point numbers. So here we have to multiply the 17 with 10 to remove the this decimal point. So here we have to multiply the numerator as well denominator by the 10. So in the numerator we will get the 1170 and here we will get 175. Now see the 117 and 175 both are, can be cancelled with the 5 divisible by the 5. So 5 3 is a 15 and remainder is 2. 2 and 0 become 20. 5 4 is 20 and here 5 3 is 15. Now remainder is 2. Now yes 2 and 5 become 25. 5 5 is 25. So this is the 24 upon 35. 34 upon 35. So ratio is 34 is to 35. Understood student how to calculate the ratios? Okay, now is question number 3. Question number 3, compare the following pair of ratios. Okay, now here compare means we have to tell which is smaller and which is greater. कौन सा smaller है कौन सा greater है वो बताना है. Now first one under root 5 upon 3 comma 3 upon under root 7. Okay, now see its solution. Under root 5 upon 3 comma 3 under root 7. Okay, तो नाउ फर्स्ट वी हैव टू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, क्या करना पड़ेगा, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई इट, तो अंडर रूट 5 into under root 7, so this is equals to under root 5 7 जा 35, ओके, तो अंडर रूट क्या हो जाएगा 35। नाउ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 3 into 3, 3 into 3, so this is equals to 3 3 is 9, now this number is in the radical sign, so here also we have to bring it into the radical sign, so when we bring it into radical sign, yes, we have to square the number which is here. So now yes, square of 9 is equals to under root 81. Now see, under root 35. Okay, under root 35 is smaller than under root 81. क्या दिखाई दे रहा है, अंडर रूट 35 क्या है, स्मॉलर है किससे, 81 से। Now yes, 35 is obtained when we multiplied the under root 5 into 7. So now in this product there is the numerator of the first number. That's why the first number is greater than the second one. So here under root 35 is from the under root 5 into under root 7. Now yes, in this the numerator of the first number is present. इसमें न्यूमरेटर किसका प्रेजेंट है, फर्स्ट नंबर का, तो क्या होगा, फर्स्ट नंबर इज स्मॉलर, तो अंडर रूट 5/3 स्मॉलर देन 3/7। ओके, इट्स क्लियर नाउ कि ये कैसे हम लोगों को सॉल्व करना है। क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन वाला रूल हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे अप्लाई किया, दैट एक्सप्लेन ऑन टुमारो यस्टरडे, जो कल हमने एक्सप्लेन किया था, वो एक प्रिंसिपल हमने क्या किया, अप्लाई किया। नाउ सी द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन ऑफ इट, 3 under root 5 upon 5 under root 7, comma under root 63 upon under root 125. Okay, now its solution, cross multiply, first write down the question, cross multiply, so 3 under root 5 into under root 125, ओके, इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो तो क्या हो जाएगा, 3 under root 5 into 125. Okay, now see, yes, 125, try to bring the smaller numbers outside, so 3 into under root 5 into, now yes, find out the factor of 125, factor of 125, 5 5 ja 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25, 5 5 ja 25, 5 1 ja 5, so now factor is 5 into 5 into 5, so here yes 1 5, because yes there are 3 5, so one pair, okay, from that yes 1 5 will come out, so 5 will come out, now yes under root 5 will remain। now see 3 into 5, ये दोनों क्या है, ये आउटसाइड नंबर है ना, बाहर है रेडिकल साइन के, तो 3 5 जा 15 एंड अंडर रूट 5 और अंडर रूट 5 क्या हो जाएगा 5, तो दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 15 5 जा 75। नाउ अगेन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, अंडर रूट 63 इंटू 5 अंडर रूट 7, अब 63 को क्या करेंगे, फैक्टराइज करेंगे, 63, ओके, इट इज डिविजिबल बाय द 3, 3 2 जा 6, ओके, 3 1 जा 3, 3 7 जा 21। now when we factorize, so yes we get 3 into 3, तो क्या हो गया, ये 3 into 3 into 7, okay, and here 5 under root 7, so this is equal to, now there is one pair, so this will come out as the square root of the 9, so 3 into 5, now yes under root 7 into under root 7 will become 7, so 5 3 is a 15, 15 into 7, okay, 15 into 7, तो 15 7 जा 105, कितना हो जाएगा 105. Now see, 75 is smaller than 105. Now this 75 is obtained when we multiply the 3 under root 5 into, yes, under root 125. Now yes, in this number there is the numerator of the first number. यहाँ पे first number का numerator है. So that's why yes, first number is greater and second one will be smaller. So therefore, now yes, 3 under root 5 upon 5 under root 7 is smaller than under root 63 upon under root 125. It's clear now? ये समझ में आ गया कि how to solve this? Now see the third question, third one, 5 upon 18 comma 17 upon 121. Now see the solution. Now cross multiply 5 into 121. Okay, 5 into 121. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, carry 1, 5 1 ja 5 or carry 1 6. Now yes, cross multiply again 17 into 18. Okay, 17 into 18. So now those who don't know the table of 17 or 18, now yes, multiply like this. 8 7 ja 56, carry 5, 8 1 ja 8, 8 and 5 13, 1 7 ja 7, 1 1 ja 1 6, 7 plus 3 is 10, carry 1. Now yes, this becomes 305. Now yes, 605 is greater than 305 and 605 is obtained by multiplication of 5 into 121, and in this the numerator of the first number is present and here its product is greater. So that's why 5 upon 18 is greater than 17 upon 121. It's clear now? Okay, now see the question number 4. अब कौन सा देखना है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. 4 अंडर रूट 80 अपॉन अंडर रूट 40 कॉमा अंडर रूट 45 अपॉन अंडर रूट 27. ओके, नाउ यस क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. क्या करना है हम लोगों को? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई अंडर रूट 80 इंटू अंडर रूट 27. ओके, नाउ यस फाइंड आउट द फैक्टर्स. अब इनके क्या करेंगे? फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे. Now we know that here 16 5s are 80. Okay, and here 9 3s are 27. So now yes, 16 is the perfect square. That's why yes, 4 will come out as the square root and yes, 5 will be in the radical sign. Similarly, 9 is the perfect square. So 3 will come out as the square root of it and 3 will remain in yes root. So here 4 3s are 12 and 5 3s are 15. So now it is 12 under root 15. Now again cross multiply the 45 and 40. 45 and 40. So here, yes, now write down 9 5s are 45. So I have written the, yes, watch, 9 5s are 45 means here one perfect square is there and 10 40 can be written as 4 10 ja 40. Now here 4 is perfect square number. Now yes, from the this radical sign 3 will come out and 5 will left. Similarly here the 2 will come out and 10 will be in the radical sign. So now see 3 2 ja 3 2 ja 6 and here 5 10 ja 50. 5 10 ja 50. Okay, now yes, convert into the same radical sign. So now yes, square of 12. 12 is square into 15 and here what you will do? So square of 12, square of 12 is equals to 144. 144 into 15. So here it will be 36 into, okay, 50, and put in the radical sign. Okay, now yes, multiply. 5 6 are 30, carry 3, 5 3 are 15, 15 and 3 18, so it is 1800. Now multiply 144, okay, 144 into 15, तो क्या हो जाएगा, 5 4 जा 20, कैरी 2, 5 4 जा 22, 22 कैरी 2, 5 1 जा 5 2 7, 1 4 जा 4, 1 4 जा 4, 1 1 जा 1, 4 plus 2 6, 11. Okay, now see student, I have made one mistake here. एक यहाँ पे मिस्टेक हो गया, देखो यहाँ पे it is not 40, it is 48. That's why yes, I am getting the wrong answer here. See, this is the 48. Okay, under root 80 upon under root 40. Okay, now yes, let's correct it. Correct कर लेते हैं. 45 into 48. तो now here 16 3s are 48. क्या आ जाएगा, देखो इसको फिर से सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ मैं. ये पार्ट ये एज इट इज रहेगा, अंडर रूट 45 इंटू अंडर रूट 48. तो दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 9 5 जा 45 and 16 3 जा 48. So now yes, square root of the 9 is 3, okay, and square root of 4 is 16 is 4. Now what will left, yes, under root 5 and under root 3. Okay, now 12 3 is 3 4 is 12 and 5 3 is 15. So now see, yes, both are equal. 12 under root 15 is equals to 12 under root 15. दोनों सेम है, दोनों सेम है. So that's why under root 80 upon under root 48 is equals to under root 45 upon under root 27. Okay, understood student? Unmute yourself, and if you have any doubts, ask to me. Yes student, tell me, is anybody having any doubts? Abedi, Nazra, Laiba, Mazi, is anybody having any doubts? Okay student, now yes, we will continue. Okay, now see the question number 4. Question number 4, what problems? Now yes, one question is remaining, is that is in decimal. So 9.2 upon 5.1 comma 3.4 upon 7.1. Okay, now yes, compare this. So multiply 9.2 into 7.1. Okay, so 9.2 into 7.1, 1 2 are 2, 1 9 are 9, 7 2 are 14, carry 1, 7 9 are 63 and 164. Okay, 2 9 plus 4 is 13, carry 1. Okay, now yes, after the decimal point there is one digit, and here also after the decimal point there is one digit, so 1 1 will become 2. So now in answer from the right side, after the 2 digit decimal point will be put, so 65.32. Okay, now cross multiply 3.4 into 5.1, cross multiply 1 4 ja 4, 1 3 ja 3, 5 4 ja 20, carry 2, 5 3 ja 15 or 2 17, 4 3. Okay, so it is 17.34. Okay, 17.34. Now 65.32 is greater. Okay, 65.32 is greater than 17.34. So therefore 65.32 greater than 17.354. So therefore 9.2 upon 5 upon 5.1 greater than 3.4 7.1. It's clear now? ये clear हो गया student? Now is question number 4. Okay. Question number 4. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. The ratio of angle A and angle B of this parallelogram is 5:4. Find the measure of angle B. Full stop. Okay. Now see the rough diagram. See the rough diagram. Yes, suppose A, B, C and D is the parallelogram. Okay. And ratio of angle A and angle B of this parallelogram is 5:4. So angle A is here and angle B is here. Okay. And the measures of their angles, okay, is 5:4. So this is 5 time and this is its 4 time. Then find the measure of B. तो B का measurement हम लोगों को find out करना है. Okay. क्या करना है? B का measurement find out करना है. So now see, yes, in parallelogram the opposite sides are parallel. अब ये क्या है? opposite sides क्या है? parallel. तो this will be, yes, segment AD will parallel to segment BC and this can be considered as transversal. और AB को हम क्या consider कर सकते हैं? Transversal. Okay. And these two angles are interior angles. तो अगर हम लोग ट्रांसवर्सल से देखेंगे तो क्या है? A और B क्या है? इंटीरियर एंगल्स है. And sum of the interior angles of the parallelogram is 180 degree. So now let the common multiple. Okay, because yes, we have to find out the measurement of B.